Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change name in Gmail. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a www.gmail.com and press enter. Then get logged in into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Gmail login ID and password. As I have already get logged in into my account, at very first you need to click on the settings option on the top right. Now then you click on see all settings. Inside the settings page, you can see the option of accounts and import. You click on it. At the little down, you can see the option of send mail as, and just beside of it, you can see your Gmail email address. And beside of it, you can see edit info. You click on it. A box will pop up where you can change your name in Google accounts. Here you can see the current name that is shown in your Gmail account. To change it, you go in for typing the another name in the below in the empty text field. After you are done, you click on save changes. As you can see, the name has been changed. This is how you can change your name in Gmail. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to change name in Gmail. Thank you.